This is what's happening right now. The struggle's real. What's going on, you guys? Itzjustnan, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to be here because we're gonna be doing something a little weird. So about a month ago, Sandara Park from 21, she decided to post this pineapple hair tutorial on her Dara TV channel, and I was pretty intrigued when I first saw it, and it made me wonder, like, what would it feel like to have pineapple hair for an entire day? And so for this video, I pretty much wanted to film it right in front of you guys, and we're just gonna put some pineapple hair on my head, and then I'm just gonna go run around and do the errands that I need to do while having pineapple hair. So without further ado, let's begin! Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh lollipop.
Nah, that's not how we do it.
Oh, I love Sandara. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this though. Okay. Materials. Elastic bands, got it. Bobby pins, got it. Head ball pins, got it. And ribbon. Okay, I got it. I got all these things. Okay, so first off, it looks like she's just like tying her hair up in a really high ponytail. Tie it tightly until your scalp hurts. Oh my gosh, literally me! Okay, I'm gonna do that first. My hair is so freaking thick that I have to use 2 hair ties. Oh my gosh. Gathering it all up first. And I'm gonna put these down a little bit because it makes it look cute. Ew, what did I just do? That wasn't even a wink. Ugh, I'm gonna get the hairbrush. My scalp most definitely hurts. One more. Fighting. I made it, guys. Wait, that's really tight. I'm out of breath. Okay, moving on. Next, it just looks like she's just taking her elastic bands and just like building the stem part. Getting my elastics, and I'm gonna double up on these 2 because I'm scared that it's gonna break if I don't. Oh no, I have flyaways. No, stem's coming together. Oh, this is such a workout. Ugh. I think that's high enough. Oh my gosh, I look so funny. Okay, so next up she's just getting ribbon. Okay, I don't have a green ribbon, but I have this yellow one. And then she's just wrapping it. Okay, let the wrapping begin. Ugh. This most definitely would have been easier if I had someone to help me, but you know what? I don't. So if Sandara can do this by herself, I can too. Ow. Oh, I hope I have enough ribbon that reaches the top. This is such a struggle, guys. I made it, guys. I have just enough. Okay, what's next? Okay, last step is to take the head ball pin, and then you're just gonna pin it there. Oh no, the needle's sticking out. Yay, we're finally done! But it's like super tight, oh my gosh. I do have to be careful though because that pin is up there. Okay, so now that we have this done, I actually have some errands to go run. So I will check back with you guys and hopefully get like a couple good reactions. So let's go! So I just got in my car, right? Like, first thing I get in, I end up hitting the wall of my car. This is what's happening right now. The struggle's real. So first off, actually, we're gonna get some McDonald's because my sister's kind of hungry, so. Hi, can I have a small mango pineapple smoothie with a cone? What, you know what's really ironic? When you have pineapple hair and you get a pineapple mango smoothie. So I'm at Macy's right now. I just got a couple reactions from like a bunch of people at the checkout area. They just waved to me and I'm like, hi! But so far there hasn't been like any big reactions, but I've been getting a lot of stares. So I just got back home from the mall and I would have filmed more while I was there, but I couldn't just because there's like a lot of like music blasting at literally like every single store that I went to. So I didn't get to film that much with my phone, but you know what, that's okay. But pretty much for overall reaction from everyone, for the most part, I got a lot of stares from people and I would just be kind of like really awkward about it, just like stare at them right back and like be like. And then I also got a couple like look backs and be like, did I just see that correctly type of look. And then also I did see there was a couple people that like just nodded at me and they're like, what the hell is she doing with her hair? And then most of all, the biggest reaction that I got was when I was actually at the Apple store because I went to the Apple store with my sister to go fix her phone. And so while we were there, it was really fun talking to the Apple employees because they were just telling me like, yeah, honestly, please don't take this to offense, but like when we first saw you, I was just shocked because it was really tall and I just was not expecting it. They also told me that I looked great in it and it was a look, but that was pretty much all of the reactions I got. I mean, it was pretty fun to wear this kind of hairstyle because like it's like really fun to go back and forth like this. I might actually do this for, I don't know, maybe like a lookbook or something. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye!